Hi babes, today we're going to do a beautiful pink cat crease, which I'm always obsessed about. I'm always obsessed about cat creases, and a pink cat crease is something that I'm really obsessed about. So let's jump in. So as you can see, I already have my makeup base on, which I already made for my previous video, and now we're going to do the best job that we ever done. So for today I'm gonna use my little palette, which is already a little bit destroyed, but this is my favorite palette to use for these makeups, so this is what I'm gonna use today as well. So the first thing that I'm gonna do, I will take this shade on my brush and I'm gonna make my line here. At first, don't try to make, when you first do the line, don't worry if you just mess it up a little bit, because you will need to blend this so much, and you can always fix this if you just mess it a little bit, so it's no problem here. So I'm adding a little bit here again. I just want to intensify this line here. And now I will take my favorite blending brush and I'm gonna blend this a little bit here, because I want a very soft look, which will make my eyes look much more angelic and dreamy. Now I will take this shade from here and I'm dipping my brush in it, and I'm making the same line here, which I already did with that eyeshadow, and we're gonna blend this again with this brush, and we will complete this process with these motions, because with this technique you are just blending and you are completing the makeup by just adding a little bit more to a little bit more, so you are not creating this from only one motion, if that makes sense. Now I will take a little bigger brush and I will make the same line. If you are wondering why now I took this bigger brush, it's because at first I just wanted to make like my design for this makeup look, and now I'm starting to add the color and the eyeshadow into my look, so that's why I'm making this, and I'm using this trick with that little brush. Please keep in mind to have more brushes at your hand, because you will need one which will be much more fluffier, and you will need one which will be a little bit smaller, because you will need to blend this very nicely if you want a soft look. So I'm adding a bit again and I'm blending again. This is my favorite way to do it, because it will give you the softest look. If I was to do it from one motion, this will go so wrong and it won't look that nice like this. Now it looks nice, and I'm blending with the bigger brush again. I will continue to do these steps. First I'm blending with the smaller one, after that I'm blending with the bigger one. So now I will add a little bit of the eyeshadow that we used a little bit earlier, and I took a clean brush and I'm only patting the color a little bit above the other one, just a little bit, and we're gonna blend everything with the bigger brush to make this look much more even. Make sure to blend this really well, because you don't want any lines in here. If you would not blend this very nice, this will look bad, and we don't want that. We want this look to look as soft as we can. Now I'm taking the pink shade again and I'm making the little line here, the slimmer line as I like to name it, and I'm coming back with that brush and I'm blending again. You will need to make this, as much as you want, because it's up to you if you want a more, a more dramatic look or just a soft color. But if you want this to look more colorful, you will need to make these steps a little bit more. Now I will take the brush with the other shade, then blending. Now again with the bigger brush I'm blending everything here, because I want this to look as seamless as we can. I'm blending with this eyeshadow again, and now I will take this brush with a little bit of foundation and I'm going to clean everything up here, because this will make the biggest effect of the cut crease in this makeup. And this is my favorite thing to do, guys. When I was a little bit at the start, when I was starting to make makeups, when I first did my first ever cat crease. I just thought that it was so hard to make this. I didn't know how I would just learn to do this, because I just felt like it was something like super strange for me to do, and something that I would never be able to do. But look at me now. Look at me now, guys. And you can do the same thing, guys. Just follow your dreams and your dreams will come true. Look, my dream already came true, because I'm on YouTube and I'm making like everything that I love in this life. I'm here with my boyfriend. I'm doing what I love. I'm in here. I'm already doing the makeups. I'm talking because I like to talk a lot. And I don't know. I'm acting like I'm acting in my normal life. I feel like I'm just talking with my best friend, honestly. It's so nice to do this. I mean, I'm so glad that I just started to do this. It makes me so happy. And I know sometimes I have moments of, I don't know, when I'm just crying because things are a little bit difficult, but I would honestly never ever give up on this dream. Okay, so I forgot to tell you, but we took a little bit of a white eyeshadow and I just place it here to pat the color. And now we're gonna do the eyeliner. Look how nice this looks, guys, already. I just love cat creases. I love them. Honestly, I love them. And at first, I told you already that I hated them. Like, I literally hated them. So now let's do the eyeliner. Sorry, guys, I'm just starting the mute mode when I'm doing my eyeliner. Like, I don't know, in that second when I'm putting the brush on my face, I'm just starting that mute mode. It's so strange. I don't know if you can relate to this. Oh my god, what are these neighbors doing again? Look how cute that looks, guys. A winged eyeliner, a beautiful pink cat crease. What do we need more? Some gems. Yes, the gems are missing from here. So we have the gems here, guys. Let's try to stick them on. I think I need some tweezers for this job. This gets a little bit difficult. I want one here. Look how cute this looks, guys. I just love this. I love these gems and I love cat creases. I think at my wedding I will just do this makeup. I mean, at least it will be a cat crease. If not, I don't know. I don't know what I can do without a cat crease. But do you think that this would be like a wedding appropriate makeup or not? Because I don't know, honestly. But I like it. I just like it. I would wear this at my wedding, honestly. I would definitely wear this. Maybe I will change my mind until then. Maybe when I will have my wedding, I will just want a supernatural makeup. Maybe I won't wear makeup at all. I mean, I don't think that this is an option for me, guys. I don't think. I wouldn't believe that it would be me, like a wedding, like at my wedding, to not wear makeup at all. That's impossible. That's like another universe for me, to not wear makeup, guys. This is a crime. So guys, this is the makeup. Look how cute this cat crease looks. I'm obsessed with cat creases, guys, and honestly this look makes me feel like I don't know, like a little pink queen or something. I don't know, this makes me look so cute. And with this, I just love this look. I feel like I'm a teenager again. I don't know. So your girl Glam Blondie finished her job and now we are looking fabulous. If you like this video, go and press that like, bell and subscribe button, because we will meet a little bit later. Now we're going to do another makeup.